Hi all. I haven't done a video in a while, in such a long time. I mean, the last video I made was one of my pets a few months ago, so I'm sure I hope you enjoyed that. What I've been doing for the last several months, well, I was just basically listening to a lot of podcasts and stuff about. I don't like to say atheism. I like to say free thinking. Yeah, I don't really like the term atheism. Yeah, I just prefer. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna ramble on like incoherently because I don't have a script. Basically, yeah, like when I do a talking head video like this, I don't like to use a script because it looks like I'm reading off a teleprompter. And I don't, and people have actually made fun of me for that. So I'm not going to do that. Last year I kind of stopped making my Mammals of the World series. This is like shortly after I moved to my new place, which is in a smaller town in the country. Yeah, there's a lot more trees here, and so it's quieter, and yeah, it's just a better place for me. Lately I've been identifying the birds and stuff that live around here too. Because last summer, I mean the summer before last, I was part of an internship with the Audubon Society. They do a lot of conservation work with birds and stuff. And so I got this free book from them, and so it helped me identify all the birds around here. Anyway, I was going to talk about religion, and a little bit. Religion is silly, and it doesn't really work that well. Religion just tells you what they think is true based on authority or based on ancient religious scripture, whereas science, on the other hand, is a much better tool for determining truth because there's actual evidence and it's self-correcting, and the scientists they don't necessarily say this is true. I mean, they show you the evidence. I mean, religion just says this is true, or that's true, without providing evidence. But science doesn't work that way. And, I'm just, like I said, when I started this video, I'm kind of randomly rambling on. I have lots of pets. Right now there's a hamster in my room. I have chinchillas, ferrets, rabbits, and goats in the backyard. I showed you them on that last video I made. Some of my cute pets, I think it was called. Let's see. I was gonna talk about let's see. Oh, the Mammals of the... I mentioned Mammals of the World series. I do have a pretty big fan of that series. He's kind of disappointed that I discontinued it. He's a guy from Indonesia. But I'm not ignoring him or anything. It's just that I just haven't really had the motivation to make more Mammals of the World videos. And I'd like to know if I have any input on whether or not I should continue or should bother continuing that series. I mean, even though it's been a year or so. Because, to make that series I have to use a lot of copyrighted material, like images and music, and but then again I do state educational fair use, but even so, I don't know. Anyway, I think that's about it for the updates. Of course, I probably missed a few things. So, oh, yeah, one disadvantage of living out here is the mail system here, and especially package delivery. They have trouble finding my place because I'm at the end of a gravel driveway, and oftentimes the packages get misdelivered to a different neighbor or get tore up by dogs. But I don't know if I have any advice to avoid that. Maybe some of you viewers have advice. Anyway, I've been listening to a lot of oh, I already said that. Free thinker podcasts. One of my favorite is The Thinking Atheist. Yeah, that's the one. I've actually bought into ordering some Nature Box snacks. They're pretty good, actually. Yeah, he kept on, promoting them. So I ordered some. They're pretty good. Anyway. So I guess I'll wrap it up here. Okay, bye.